Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking. Jamaica running. Prime time Lando. Yeah, we the
Active, you know, people. Yeah, active people. We're on this road. It's gonna be a quick day, man, because I got a busy day ahead of me. But I'm bringing y'all with me, man. But as I'm sitting here driving, the one thing about driving trucks, right? All you can do is think most of the time. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. And I'm sitting here processing and when I'm going back to Jamaica, right? There's a movement going on right now. Like I noticed everybody's going back home. Everybody go back a yard. It could be because of stuff that's going on this side right now, or it could be because it's peace. For me, Jamaica is peace and it's survival. Like it's survivability, I guess you would say. It's easy for me to survive there as far as finance. I can survive in America too, but Jamaica just more, it's home. I don't know how to explain it. All of my Jamaicans, they understand. It's a certain peace that I get when I go there. Like I did the math already, man. I did the math. I did the math. If I move back, real talk, I can live good off $3,000 a month. US, I'm talking to US. I can live good off $3,000 a month. I just those are like basic numbers, and that's what doing what you want to do. House is paid off already, right? I need a car, so more than likely I will buy my car cash. The bill I have, light bill, okay. Internet bill, okay. Gotta put gas in the car, cool. Grocery, right? So I say, y'all do the math, because I'm not gonna be able to add it up for you. I'm gonna say gas probably will cost $80 for the week. I'm putting my numbers in US because those are numbers I more understand. What's say $80 for the week, right? Phone bill, we don't really deal with, because we don't deal with internet. We probably put like a credit on here and there. So I'm gonna add that in for the month. I'm probably say 30 US. Let's add that to the bill. All right, let's add that to the bill. We there what? 110, right? That's all. But that's for the month, you know. So then, what else? I said light bill, right? Light bill not gonna be that expensive. Not for me. You know, if you come from a country, you know how to do it. But I'm gonna say we're gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna say light bill. I'm gonna go on that. I'm gonna say 100 US. I'm gonna say 100 US. It's 100 US right there. Remember I said we are country too, you know. Just I do some numbers. Remember I said we are country. So food, we buy food off of the land same way. So I'm gonna say grocery bill. I'm gonna say $50 a week for grocery. Grocery is probably the most expensive, you know, and $50 is tight. You probably more than that. $50 for the week, right? So that's $200 for the month on grocery. On grocery, $200 for the month on grocery. Let's up it a little bit. Add another 100. Let's make $300 a month on grocery. Right? With that 3, I said 110, 410. All right, we have 410. No, is it 410? So I'm gonna say about 450. I'm gonna say we have about 450. That's all my bills for the month. That's all my bills for the month. I know what people, yeah, you know, when it comes to the light, yeah. But I wouldn't do that because I'm Americanized. So I can survive off that. I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna say $1,000 a month, and that's living good. That's just doing what I want to do. $1,000 a month on bills. I might have forgot one or two. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what I forgot. Now I still have $2,000 left for the month. All my bills came up to $1,000, and it's probably not gonna come up to $1,000. I have $2,000 left. So I can spend 500 US a week, which we're not going to spend. We're not going to spend. You get what I'm saying? My numbers might be off a little bit here and there, but $1,000 a month, $500 a week, I'm living good. You pay car insurance, I think, once a year. Once a year. I'm living good. I can survive. Me, by myself, I can survive off $1,000 in Jamaica. But I'm adding in my wife because my wife is, my wife is American and she wants certain things. So I got to give her her luxury. Right? What do y'all think about that? Is Jamaica the move? The more I think about it, man, the more I feel like, man, Jamaica might be the move. The more I think, we got a house down there already. Shout out to Pops. Pablo, big up yourself. Got a house down there already. I was fortunate enough that I have a father that built the house. And he said, yo, upstairs, I feel them. We're good. And then we got another upstairs that we about to put on. We good. You know what I mean? Thank God for my grandparents that left land. We're good. So right now, Mickey, I move out yard right now and survive off $1,000 a month. Mickey, I move out yard. I said, even if I have nothing to go on, yo, just start making some phone calls. I know friends me have American, even if I have no money. Yo, you think you can send me $50? Call somebody else. You think you can send me $50? At least 2 months, I know I can do that for. First 2 months, I'm good. But that's not in my plans, guys. I'm just saying, I'm just throwing some numbers out there, man. Jamaica is seen more, it's the place to be, man. Everybody always talk about crime, man. Listen, man. Crime is in America. Way more than Jamaica. Only reason we don't know about it because nobody talk to each other. Nobody know each other. In my neighborhood right now, my next door neighbor, I don't know her. If I see them in public, I would know that she did 2 doors down. She just moved there, but there's a couple cars in the driveway. I don't think no much of them live there. Maybe like 4 months ago. If I see them in public, I would not know them. My neighbor, I know her somewhat. I only know like 2 people in my neighborhood. That's how America is. Everybody just lock up. They go in and out, caught up in the rat race. Come home, go to sleep, leave, go to work, come home, go to sleep, leave, go to work. That's America. When you go to Jamaica, man, sometimes I go out here, I'm say some white people that want to not even have a job, they look more happier than me. They look like they might live life. If they have party and things, party is not my thing no more. They living life. I'm like, yo, what the heck? I'm up here, man. They lied to us. They lied to us. I'm up here. Look what time it is. I'm up at 4:30 in the morning. Most of the time, I come back, forward back home till like 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Your whole day done by the time you reach home. You might want to do a little workout. Bam, you do a workout for an hour. All right, yeah, 7:30. You eat. Guess what time it is? Bedtime. That's not no life. That's not what I want. Jamaica is in the horizon. I see you. So I want to know, are y'all ready to move back to Jamaica? Is $3,000 a month a reasonable number? Let me know down in the comments if $3,000 a month a reasonable number. I think it is. Well, boxer, I say foggy man. Jaja, please foggy man. Shout out to my truck drivers, man. Big up my truck drivers, people.
Lando,